Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually have your screen turn on when you actually go to pick up your phone. So I'm not sure if this feature actually is on any other device. It should be on most Android devices. I'm not sure about iOS, but for this video I'm using a Huawei device. So the settings if you're using a Huawei device will be similar, but if you guys are using any other Android device it won't be 100% the same as in this video, but you guys can go ahead and try it out. So what this feature does is basically, when you guys go to pick up your phone, you will have to manually turn it on using the power button, right? But this feature, what it allows you to do is when you go to pick up your phone, it automatically turns the screen on. So it makes unlocking your phone a lot faster. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it. So before we do, don't forget to drop a like and hit the subscribe button down below. With that, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you guys are going to want to do is open up your settings, and then you guys are going to want to scroll down all the way to accessibility and features, which is right here with the little finger. So click that, and then you guys are going to want to go to the fourth option, shortcuts and gestures. And once you guys are here, you guys can see the fourth option which says wake screen. Click on that, and as you guys can see in the video, in the clip that they are showing you, that's how it actually works. So what you guys are going to want to do is have this turned on. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys learned something. If you guys want any other tutorials for anything, let me know in the comments down below. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.